Hello, Charlie's Angels. This is your boy Charlie back again with another video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe as we continue to rise up in 2025. Make sure y'all hit that post notification bell so y'all can get reminded each time I drop a new video. And make sure y'all share this video. How's everybody doing today? Hope everybody's having a blessed day on today. Today in Louisiana, Lafayette, we're getting ready for a historic snowfall. Yes, in Louisiana, I said in the deep south, we were getting ready for a historic snowstorm. And that's unheard of down here in the south. But yeah, we're getting ready for that. It's cold today. I think the temperature right now is about 34 degrees, something like that. And it is cold, but it is beautiful. The sun is out, it's shining. But you called it the calm before the storm. Because I know we're supposed to be getting, between 2 and 6 inches of snow. Yeah, that's unheard of in the south. But between 2 and 6 inches of snow. And so, yeah, we're getting ready for that. We can't wait for it to start. We want to see what 2 inches to 6 inches of snow look like on the ground. We watch it on television. We watch it during like football games when Philadelphia or Kansas City or somebody else play out, but we never get to see that here in Louisiana, the deep south. So yeah, we're getting ready for that. And I'm gonna show y'all who showed up for this historic snowstorm that we're about to have. Yeah, so y'all see who made it. The historic snowman, and that's Frosty. Frosty the Snowman. He made it down here from the North Pole. He heard it was gonna be cold and snowy, and that's the thing that he loves. So he came to visit me, and he's getting ready for the snowstorm, and we all are. So I'm asking him a couple of questions and see what they have to say about being here in Louisiana. So Frosty, what do you like about being here in Louisiana? I know that's not a good place for you because it's always warm. You would never make it here. You would be like the water behind you. But why did you decide to make the trip here this time? Well, I came here to meet the people from Louisiana because I heard y'all was having a snowstorm. Now, I've never heard of a snowstorm in Louisiana. I've never been in Louisiana before because I would melt. I would be like the pond behind me. But I decided to come out and just enjoy the snow with y'all. It's a historic snowstorm, and I am a historic snowman. So the two coming together, it was just, just right for me to come here. So yeah, so y'all heard it first from the historic snowman himself, Frosty. As you can see how quickly the weather changes from beautiful clear skies the beginning of the winter storm. Check this out, Charlie's Angels. See Frosty, and we have blizzard warning. Yes, I did say blizzard warning for Louisiana, for Lafayette, Louisiana. This is crazy. Who would have thought? Who would have thought? That's why Frosty came. Frosty knew it. This is crazy. Yeah, I know it's hard to see. It's early morning. This is not an AI generated. This is the real deal. This is the authentic video from Lafayette, Louisiana. Can't even say Louisiana right because it's so cold out here. Yeah. Once in a lifetime, we are enjoying it. We know up north, y'all experience it all the time. I know it's not a big deal for y'all, but it's a big deal for us here. So we're going to enjoy it. We're going to enjoy it. So I want to thank y'all for watching the video. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. And I'll be talking to you on the next one. Okay. Peace.